Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the best and craziest road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with some basic fails caught on driver's dashcam. Hopefully you can pay close attention at some of these mistakes, take notes and try your best to learn out of them. After all, that's the purpose of this channel.
Dumbass. This dude's serious. Come on, man. What the hell are you doing, stupid?
It's a normal thing for any driver to want to change lanes, but doing it like this is way too risky and dangerous.
Call us 877-937-1047.
John, Jay, and Rich, 1047 Kids FM.
In this situation, we can say that the Mercedes driver got what he asked for. He dangerously cut the camera off and he proceeded to speed down the road. But a bit further down the road, he caused an accident. In this video, we have a contrast between two cyclists and how they are supposed to behave on the road. The first one was acting right, but the second one, definitely not. Learn from his mistake. Van driver should definitely go back to driving school in order to understand the right of way. It would appear that this crazy driver is totally in a hurry to get somewhere. He was cutting across the road like a madman, from lane to lane, switching without bothering to check his mirrors or indicate. Of course, other drivers were endangered as well, and please note to yourself, never behave like this guy.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that on a solid line. Bonehead.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Might be a little bit cool, but you know
on
what?
the pilot.
I was watching
Oh,
the
yeah?
last couple
Really?
of days
Yeah.
at 9 o'clock.
And she has no insurance.
Seems to be when it's
The guy's in the wrong
dark,
lane. I saw that.
just warm.
Yeah.
And with this cool video, we conclude another amazing episode on Car on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe picking up a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw from all these drivers. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, and it will really make us happy if you guys manage to learn something. If you truly like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that would motivate us to put out fresh more content for you guys. And also, while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.